So we've got a mini side light that needs to be replaced here. You can see which one it is, this one here. Headlight works fine, other headlight works fine, and other side light works fine. So let's sort out how to fix it. So you might be able to see here, this section here, on the inside of the wheel arch, you need to turn this counterclockwise and that will give you access to the lights. So there you go, the covers come off and you can see there the light. You've just got to decide whether it's top or bottom. So after a bit of wiggling, that's what you get when you've pulled it out. And just for reference, here's the dud bulb. I've already changed it. You can see it's can you see it's a bit dark there, so already changed. And there you go, all back, replaced and fixed.